Google Antigravity is powerful, but when it breaks hard. Quota lockouts, agent crashes, sign-in failures. This video fixes the 10 most common anti-gravity errors, step by step. These fixes are verified against official documentation as of August 2026. No fluff, just fixes. Let's repair your anti-gravity.
You hit send and then this. You've reached the quota limit for this model with a resume time of 7 days. Here's the truth. Your quota refreshes every 5 hours, but free and pro plans also have a weekly cap.
The 5-hour timer resets, while the weekly cap stays empty. That is the 7-day mystery. First, open Settings, then Models, and see which model is exhausted. Switch to Gemini Flash, the most token-efficient family. Enable AI credit overages if you want to pay to continue.
And compact long conversations to save quota. Never fall for multi-account bypass hacks. They violate the terms of service.
Agent terminated due to error. It looks scary, but it is almost never your fault. The usual suspects are a broken MCP server, a corrupted extension, or damaged local state. First, open the command palette and run anti-gravity reset onboarding, then sign in again. Next, try restart agent service.
Then disable MCP servers one by one to isolate the culprit. Still stuck? Switch the model or wipe the app state and reinstall. 9 times out of 10, one of these fixes it.
Not eligible, or a sign-in that never completes.
4 things cause this.
1, you're using a Workspace account, so use a personal Gmail instead. 2, your age is not verified, and anti-gravity requires 18 plus.
3, your region is not approved, so check the country on your Google Terms page. 4, a VPN or ad blocker is interfering, so turn them off and try again. 9 times out of 10, it is one of these.
There was an unexpected issue setting up your account. This usually appears right after sign-in. First, quit the app completely and retry. If that fails, sign out and authenticate again. Still broken? Do a clean reinstall from the official download page.
And try signing in through Chrome instead of another browser. In most cases, one clean pass fixes it.
User location is not supported. Anti-gravity only works in approved countries and territories. Check the country listed on your Google Terms of Service page. If it is wrong, submit a region change request. And turn off any VPN so Google can see your real location.
If only some models fail, update the app, because this was reported as a false positive in older builds.
MCP servers connect your agent to external tools, and when one fails, the agent can crash. Open Settings, then Customizations, and check Installed MCP servers. Is the server enabled? Press Refresh. Verify the server address and use the server URL key for remote servers.
OAuth servers are unreliable right now, so use header-based authentication instead. Restart the app after changes, and keep anti-gravity updated, because server loading bugs were already fixed.
On Windows, 4 errors show up constantly. First, Smart Screen says Windows protected your PC. Click more info, then run anyway. Second, a blank dark screen on startup. That was an antivirus conflict fixed in version 2.011, so update. Third, a login loop.
Community reports say installing to program files helps. Fourth, WSL commands silently fail after updates. Run WSL list verbose and install WSL2 if it is missing. And remember, terminal sandboxing is macOS only.
On macOS, the classic is Gatekeeper. Cannot be opened because it is from an unidentified developer. Open System Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click Open anyway. If the app crashes on launch, clear the cache folder, and fix permissions on the .gemini folder. Quit, wait 30 seconds, and relaunch.
If crashes persist, disable hardware acceleration in Settings. Slower, but stable.
If the app will not start after an update, check for the Keep Both or Replace prompt. Official guidance says choose Replace.
A malformed config file can also block startup, so fix it in the .gemini config folder, or just update since this was fixed in version 2.31. General rule, fully quit, wait 30 seconds, and relaunch. Most crashes disappear.
And always keep anti-gravity updated.
because most errors are already fixed.
Finally, the command line. AG command not found means the binary is not on your path. Add the install directory to your shell profile and reload it. If the CLI cannot log in, your keyring is locked, so unlock it, or authorize the AG app in keychain.
Over SSH, follow the manual URL and code flow. And if the CLI says individual quota reached, that is the weekly cap again. Check your credits with the CLI command.
Here is the cheat sheet. Quota locked, switch models, or wait for the weekly reset. Agent terminated, reset onboarding. Not eligible? Check account, age, region, and VPN. MCP failing? Verify servers and URLs. Windows, update and check WSL. macOS, gatekeeper, cache, and permissions. Won't start. Replace, restart, update. CLI?
Fix your path and keyring. When in doubt, update to the latest version. Most errors are already fixed.
That is all 10 errors fixed. If this manual saved you time, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment about which error hit you hardest. And remember, some errors need the latest version, so keep Antigravity updated. See you in the next manual.